Hey there, carnivore enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of a perfectly balanced carnivore diet and crafting the ultimate grocery list to nourish your inner carnivore. Whether you're new to this lifestyle or a seasoned pro, get ready for a feast of nutrient-dense animal products. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Let's get started. Number 1. Meat and Poultry. Grass-fed beef, steaks, ground beef, roasts. Free-range or pastured chicken, breasts, thighs, whole chicken. Pork, chops, ribs, bacon. Lamb, chops, leg, ground lamb. Organ meats, liver, heart, kidney. Number 2. Seafood. Wild-caught salmon. Sardines. Mackerel. Shrimp. Cod. Number 3. Eggs. Free-range or pasture-raised eggs. Number 4. Dairy, optional, as some carnivores include dairy. Grass-fed butter. Ghee, clarified butter. Hard cheeses, cheddar, gouda. Number 5. Fats and oils. Tallow, beef fat. Lard, pork fat. Duck fat. Olive oil, if allowed in the diet. Bone broth. Chicken or beef bone broth. Number 6. Spices and Seasonings. Salt, sea salt or Himalayan salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Onion powder. If you found this carnivore feast inspiring, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more carnivore diet insights. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Happy carnivorous feasting!